If it is a lamb chop with the rice, lamb chop pieces, put it in this gravy. Meat is slowly sizzling. Look at the gloss, look at the shine. The meat is also cooked perfect. This is finger licking good. Namaste, Assalamu alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at varava.com. I'm going to make lamb chop. Lamb chops are everybody's favorite. Especially the meat lovers. For them, a good lamb chop, whether it is just grilled or it is cooked in the Indian style, lamb chops is everybody's favorite. Usually, whenever I make lamb chops, I make it two variations. One is marinate it well, and on a hot tawa I'm going to cook. Usually, I use tenderizer for that kind of thing. And the other method is the pressure cooker method. I put with masalas, cook in the pressure cooker, and for this, you cannot use the tenderizer. And today, I'm going to use pressure cooker method, where I am going to have these lamb chops slightly first colored. That means first we are going to have this oil hot, and then we are going to put these lamb chops and slightly color them, which is called the mallard effect. This gives the curry very tasty. We are going to add little bit of salt, turmeric, some chili powder, and also add some tomatoes. And usually I don't add tomatoes when I'm cooking lamb chops, but because I'm putting in the pressure cooker, it is fine. We're going to add water, put the lid on, and cook it on a slower flame for 20 minutes till these lamb chops are nice and tender. Now I'm just going to add some oil in a pan, and in this add some peppercorn, cumin seeds, and also add some garlic and lots of onion, and saute this, put in a blender and make this into a paste, which will also give very nice gravy for our chops. Now we're going to brown the onions and make this into a paste, and you can also use this for fish curries or even for chicken. This slow heat cooking, it will help retain the shape also. So in the cooker, I have done that. So little bit of tempering here. Again, we're going to add a little bit oil. We are going to do a tempering of mustard seeds, add some red chillies. We are going to cook this onion paste in this mutton stock, the nice curry. So once you see this mustard seeds crackling, just take this and pour only the liquid. Okay. Now in this gravy, add this onion and the pepper, garlic paste. See, because the onions are also nicely sauteed, this will give very nice taste to this. Cook it on a slow flame. This gravy in this oil, lamb chop pieces, put it in this gravy and add each piece one by one. These pieces will get the flavor back in this gravy. Now look at this. This meat is slowly sizzling in this. Add some chopped coriander. This is one of the requested recipe from many of our friends on YouTube channel. I know there are a lot of requests. I'm going to make them. Please have patience. Look at the gloss, look at the shine. The meat is also cooked perfect. Some of the greatest recipes are very simple recipes, and these are pretty much practiced in the military restaurants, what I talked to you about. These restaurants specialize in making all parts of meat. If it is a lamb, they made the paya, they make that brain curries and so on. So this is what I love. Make this gravy. And look at the gravy, so shiny and so perfect. And the lamb chops, just sizzling, so perfect. And this, because of the pepper, it has got a very nice aroma and the flavor. Very hot. And this is awesome. Dear friends, make great food. If it is a lamb chop with the rice, just melting in the mouth. Make it, eat it, and keep saying vareva. And this is finger licking good.